I'm re-releasing the 3 different natural mixtures that instantly stop coughing and strengthen the immune system, which millions of people have watched and benefited from after trying them. How do we prepare it? Let's watch it together. You're experiencing issues with flu, sore throat, cough, and your breathing. Do you want it to go away as soon as possible? The benefits that have been proven over generations? Let's prepare the 3 different natural mixtures together. Our first mixture is consumed as a liquid. Fill a tea glass halfway with warm water. Add 2 teaspoons of honey to it. Honey not only has antibacterial properties but is also used to treat many diseases. It's a miraculous source of healing. Indeed, the hadiths also provide information about the healing properties of honey. Cut half a lemon and squeeze its juice into the glass. Lemon is a powerful antioxidant. Thanks to the vitamin C it contains, it supports the immune system. It helps to lower blood pressure. It increases iron absorption. Add about a teaspoon of black pepper to it. If you're giving it to children over 3 years old, half a teaspoon like this is enough. Black pepper is an expectorant and helps to relieve coughing. It helps your digestive system work well. It helps to eliminate toxins from the body. It also increases energy burning. Our second mixture is honey ginger paste. Although it has been known and used in many countries around the world for a long time, it has only started to become popular in our country in recent years. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder until it reaches a paste-like consistency. You need to consume this mixture immediately without waiting. First, drink half a tea glass of warm water, and then you can swallow the paste more easily. 2 teaspoons, morning and evening will be sufficient. Do you have any allergies to the products I've mentioned? Make sure to research and consume this. I want to reiterate that these mixtures are for supplementary purposes. It does not have the nature of a doctor's prescription. Do not consume without consulting your doctor. Do you want a more effective mixture? Fill 3/4 of a glass with warm water. Add a teaspoon of honey. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. Add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Cut half a lemon and squeeze its juice. This mixture, which is good for respiratory diseases, helps relieve cold, sore throat, and cough. With its cough and sore throat relieving properties, it helps sick individuals recover more quickly. It cleans the tonsils and makes it easier for you to breathe. It provides energy. It helps eliminate toxins through sweat. Consume half a glass in the morning and half a glass in the evening throughout the day. The recommendations I've mentioned are for supplementary purposes. It does not constitute a doctor's prescription. Do not consume without checking if you have any allergies to the products used. If you have persistent problems that don't go away, be sure to consult a healthcare institution.